Okay, it's time to replace my wireless camera. This one really doesn't work anymore. It's kind of faulty, and it's just time to replace it. And what I'm going to replace it with is a solar powered camera. And it's going up at my garage. So this solar powered camera is made by Tiejus, Tiejus. And you've got a couple of anchors there, a mounting bracket, a USB cable. There's the little solar panel right there. Oh, it's changed too. I'm a big fan of Tiejus, and I'm a big fan of the solar battery operated wireless cameras. There's the base, and here's the actual camera right here. Yep, that looks good. Yep, it's nicely sealed, waterproof, or I should say not waterproof, but it's water rated to IP66, which means it will handle a couple of splashes, but you don't want to submerge it. It's not totally waterproof. And there's a spot for an SD card right in the bottom there. Yeah, looks good. It's well made. Now, what I can say about these solar battery operated cameras is you want to have a good Wi-Fi signal. And the way I have this set up, it's going to mount on the south end of my garage underneath the soffit. So it's going to be out of direct elements like rain and snow and anything and sleet and hail. And the solar panel will be in full sun. That's easy to mount. And it charges up every day. I haven't had a problem with my other solar cameras. And I want a good Wi-Fi signal. So what I've done is I'm actually, at the cottage I'm on Starlink satellite. And then I've got a series of Wi-Fi extenders so I can get a really good signal to the camera. Now the reason why I like this camera is because first of all, it's really well made. It's got good after sales from this Tiejus company. And something new is it's got 3 days of cloud storage, which is really good. I haven't heard of that before. So 3 days of cloud storage, which is good if I want to replay instead of pulling the SD card, because it can be a pain to get up on your ladder to pull your SD card if you need to. But if I need to have access to any video footage, I can simply just go online onto the app and see within the last 3 days any movement or action that's happened on my security cam. There's a good English manual in there. It's pretty straightforward to hook up. Just the app. The pluses for this is it's extremely well made. It's solar powered. I've got 3 days of cloud storage and really good after sales, and it's really reasonably priced. I'll put a link for this, an Amazon link, and it ticked all the boxes for me. There you go. There's my new Tiejus security camera, solar powered.